Hello again, I'm Anton Abel, bringing you a quick look video at this knife I picked up just a couple of weeks ago. It's the PXL on the box there, and the Workhorse. So there's several models in the PXL line. There's this one here, the Workhorse, with the what they call grill-on frame or handles. There's another one, I forget the actual label, PXL, but it has a pocket clip on the back. And then you go the much more expensive ones, same design as this, same shape, but it has the bolster here and has different handle scales on here. They're a bit more expensive and a bit heavier. So it's the PXL. Came up available on the internet forum, and I've got several knives in this size, but I just was looking at it and yeah, why not? And now that I've had it a few weeks, I've been using it. A few fingerprints showing up on there. Really appreciating this Fallkniven and the Fallkniven design and the workmanship. Really great knife. I suppose particularly I just like the sort of straight lines, straight line across here, straight sort of thing. And this double swedge on here looks a little bit daggerish, but it's not sharpened or anything. And just the straight there, the way the blade is ground. Of course, it's a laminated steel. See the lamination line there, and maybe you can just pick it up through there. And this is a COS blade, COS COS and PXL, and it's a steel for it. So it's a liner lock. There's a lock up there, locks up, I suppose, getting close to maybe halfway through. But my experience with these other ones, I just got my other two out here. It's also in the grill-on plastic. They doesn't seem to move much. So you use them and they just lock up, no wiggle or anything. Same this one here, but this one's in the 3G steel. See that there? Say that? Yeah, 3G. Real nice knives. Lock up, work really well. So with that experience of these ones, I thought I'd get this one a little bit heavier and medium size, rather these ones are small size, and really nice. So just a couple of details of it. It's grill on some type of plastic. The shows are supposed to be handle grease and oil spills, cold weather. A lot of Fallkniven knives are designed to handle cold weather, freezing type weather. That's what this grill on is. Good grip on it, feels good. The COS steel, as I mentioned, and its hardness to about 60 HRC, so reasonably hard. Blade length 88 millimeters, or just under 3.5 inches. Handle length 111 millimeters, or 4.3 inches. Overall length, you see there, is 7.8 inches. Thickness about 3.5 mil thick along the edge there. Weight, a bit over 4 ounces, so reasonable weight, but not too heavy. It does have the liners down inside there, and yeah, not really scalloped out, but they're recessed inside, so it gives it extra strength, and that's where a little bit of the extra weight would come from, having those full liners down inside there. So these ones are a little bit more affordable than the PXL ones, and definitely I can see this as a medium-sized work knife. Just a comparison size-wise, here's the Modus I got. Modus is definitely lighter, but basically the same overall length. But you can see there the handle. I like the handle. I like both of them. They're both great knives for sure. Just different designs and the way I want to look at them. So I have these pouches here I got some time ago. I use them to carry the knives. So this larger one, I can slide in my PXL, put in my pocket, put in the bag, whatever. Really good. And the smaller pouch I got, really handy for sliding in my little knife. Or other knives, not always just for the Fallknivens. Close it up there. Great little pouch. So if you like carrying the pouch, I just put it in my pocket or in the bag, something like that. Sometimes I just carry this in my pocket just as it is. No pocket clip on this one, so I can just put it in my pocket or put it in the pouch and I'm ready to go. So that's it. The PXL workhorse by Fallkniven. A little bit dirty, a few fingerprints on them, but I do use them, so wipe them down occasionally. There we go, Ant-Man Try and Able. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay prepared, stay alert, stay ready. Try and get them all in frame here. Endure to the end, especially in these crazy times we live. Bye bye for now.